Hey, it's Wes, and I'm down in the basement today. I've had this Roadshow I've had for over 20 years now. It's been broken for quite a few years now. I couldn't figure it out myself, so I did play around for a bit trying to figure it out, but I couldn't figure it out myself. So I reached out to a bunch of local people. I just did a search on Google for pinball repair, and I ended up finally finding something. A lot of people wouldn't come and take a look at it, just because I don't think anybody could figure out what was wrong with it. But a very nice guy from Cleveland came down, Stephen Prusa, and he helped diagnose the problem with it. We ended up finding out there was a bad trace on one of the boards, and then I had to send it out to Jerry at Gameroom Services. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna put these boards back in and hopefully fire it up. And this will be the first time it's been running in years. So the first board we're going to install is this little board. I'm not exactly sure what it controls because I'm not a pinball expert, but we had to send this one in. Jerry wanted me to send it in just because this capacitor right here would have been the next thing to blow after what the problem was with it. So we got to pop up the table and we're going to stick this board in underneath. Next up, I'm going to put this board up in that top corner up there. Lastly, now I just got to hook up the 3 connectors into the board, and then we'll pop the table back down. And next up, I got to put the final board in. This is the one that will make everything run. But this one goes up in the back glass. And here's a photo of what Jerry sent me was wrong with it. One of the traces was kind of cracked. He took a microscope kind of photo of it. But there you go. Let's put this in, and then hopefully we got a working machine again. Next up, I'm just going to screw this board down so it's all secure inside. Now finally we got to connect a lot of connectors along this board. Luckily I did write on the back of them what every connector goes to. I think maybe they come from the factory, that way I may be wrong, but yeah, if they're not there, make sure to label them because there's a lot of connectors to hook up. So I've connected all the connectors. There was quite a few of them. I've double checked it just a couple times just to make sure everything's connected. Looks like we're good. I think we're going to seal up this back and we're going to fire it up and see if this thing works. So here we go. Everything's ready. I'm going to flip the power switch and we'll see if there's a new error code or if it actually works now. So far so good. Oh, let's see. Wow, it looks like it's working. Put a couple credits in and double check it here.
Time to go to work. Let's fire that thing up.
We got it. It's working. So thanks for coming along today on this weird video. I mean, not many people are gonna fix a pinball machine, but I fix a lot of random stuff. Also, at least Steven was so nice to come down and help me troubleshoot this. And now we got it running again, which is exciting because it's been a long time. But thanks for coming along on this video today. There'll be more odd videos like this. You never know what we're gonna do next. Thanks for watching.